Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Chatgpt with image editing enabled and sign in with your account. Click the plus icon, upload a photo under 5 MB in PNG or JPEG format. Confirm the image resolution is around 1024 x 1024 or lower for faster processing. Specify your editing goal clearly, such as remove background or enhance color. Include exact dimensions, for example 800 x 600 pixels, or print at 300 dpi. State stylistic preferences like warm tone, high contrast, or natural skin tones. Request up to 3 iterations. Start with a simple prompt. Remove background and keep subject edges sharp. Use mask tools by describing areas to preserve and areas to remove precisely. Ask Chatgpt to adjust exposure by specifying +1, 2 stops or -0, 8 stops. Request color changes by naming target hues or using hex codes like #FFA33. For retouching, ask for blemish removal, teeth whitening, and skin smoothing levels. Specify export format and quality such as JPEG at 85% or PNG lossless. Review the edited result, then request another iteration with 3 specific tweaks. Compare original and edited images at 1:1 zoom for accurate evaluation. Check metadata and file size, aiming for under 1 MB for web use. Ask Chatgpt to generate an edit log listing every change and numeric values. Use version names like Edit v1, Edit v2 to track iterations clearly and consistently. For print, export at 300 dpi and save a TIFF or high-quality JPEG. When satisfied, download final files and request an export checklist from Chatgpt. Practice concise prompts and include measurements. This improves predictability and speed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.